Darn it. Forgot to change the title. Or is the title accurate? Welcome to the stream. I think I just messed up the title. And we accidentally have yesterday's title. Yes, we do. All right. I'm gonna try to update the title of the stream just so that we are consistent with it. Building in public during the pump hackathon. Let's go. Let's quickly go through what we've built today. I will just keep it brief, but in short, we are gonna launch something really awesome tomorrow. Basically a service that replaces 5 subscriptions and over 10 different API calls, all bundled into one super tiny SDK. And I'm super proud of this work and how fast I've been able to make this real. And this is real enterprise grade software. Like, I don't like that word, but you know, this is not just some silly project. Like, I made sure everything works very well and all there are tests for every function of the thing, right? And I made sure that it's secure, right? So that people can really build apps with it. And obviously there are going to be some issues and I am going to figure them out as we go along. But I just hope that we can create a real source of revenue for our project, our company. And I hope that very soon people will use this in their projects and improve the security of their projects, improve the insights of their projects. Because like you can use this in so many ways. Hi chat, what's good chat? I see you. See your message. You can use our new product in so many ways, and I can't wait to let people start using it. And I will announce a hackathon, and whoever builds the coolest thing within this time frame will be able to win money. You know, so I will just give money to whatever community member builds something awesome with our project. And obviously I want anyone to have a chance and a shot at winning that money. And therefore, you know, I will in general, like, I will structure the product in a way that anyone can use it, even people that are non-technical, that aren't vibe coders, that aren't like real software engineers, right? Just vibe coders. I'm gonna structure the product in a way that even vibe coders can use it for any of their projects, and in a way that they can use it in a very simple way, in a very straightforward way, without doing too much. And yeah, I know it's gonna be really awesome, you know. I already know. And right now I'm just figuring out the payments on it, honestly. So there are gonna be paid plans on it. Obviously for the hackathon there is a free tier, so you just let me know and yeah, whatever feedback you got, I'll work it into the product, and then you get access to the platform, or like I will just like I will just give free access to everyone at first, but then I will lock it down, and people have to pay for it. Hey, thanks for being in chat. Thanks for watching the streams, and thank you all for supporting on Twitter. I can't wait to show you what is next and what we've built during the hackathon. It's really awesome, and yeah, I'm looking very much forward to what is gonna happen. Mm. I know some people are losing money right now or lost money right now, but if I were you, and I mean this with full honesty, no bullshit, no bullshit. All right. If I were you, I would be very optimistic. I am very optimistic, right? I think like crypto is going to be bigger than ever. And yes, the numbers are not looking great today, but that doesn't stop me, that doesn't stop all these talented people from working hard and believing in what we've always believed in, which is like democratizing the software industry and democratizing internet capital markets, and um, in general capitalism. So I'm gonna stay with the network state. I'm gonna stay with Solana. I'm super fucking bullish on Solana, and like I can't tell you right now what is in the works, but I can only tell you that like Solana is gonna get so much fucking bigger, and we are about to get so much bigger, and it's just a question of time and patience and hard work, and it's already set in stone. Like I don't even think about losing, or I don't even think about not winning, you know? It's like at this point it's just a self-fulfilling prophecy that we're going to win. And we're going to do obviously everything that we know for getting there, but at the end of the day, like, being here, talking to you right now about these things, like we're already winning. And some people, outsiders, normies, uh, government people, degenerates also, like they don't know what is going on behind the scenes, but in general, like, Solana is fucking huge, and it's only gonna get bigger. And there's really no upper limit for how far we can go. So I'm super bullish, and I think you should be too. And this is my honest opinion, you know, my honest opinion. I know I would never lie to you about that. Chad says super bullish on UTCC. Thank you. Yeah, I am too, obviously. You know, I am heavily invested, as you guys know, and for a good reason. Because like I want to run this up very high, with all of you together. Mm. And I want to run Solana up really high. You know, that's why I'm here, and that's why I'm connecting with people like that at network school, because I'm really just like looking for reaching higher and building bigger, thinking bigger. I just have like super tiny bottle of wine from the airport left. I'm just drinking a little bit today because I'm super happy with what we got done. So cheers to you. Cheers to the Pump Hackathon. Cheers to Solana. Cheers to the planet Earth and the people that inhabit the planet Earth. Cheers. And this wine is not very good, but it is what it is. Here in Malaysia, they don't have much alcohol, at least not like in the shops, really. Not like in Germany. That's okay, I guess. You know, I am also not the biggest fan of alcohol. Actually, I don't. Actually, I never really drink alcohol. I don't want to. I would not recommend anyone to drink alcohol. But today, I'm just like, I don't know, chilling. So um, I don't recommend this to anyone. But today, I really don't care because like I don't know, for no reason. There's no reason to drink alcohol. Like no good reason, at least. Is my personal opinion. You know, anyone can have their opinion. That's my personal opinion. Cheers, anyway. You guys know it's like, as a German, right? This is part of my culture. Like, even if I wanted to turn it off completely, it's basically impossible. But it is what it is. I won't complain. Probably you can notice I'm already getting a bit uh, tipsy and don't know what I'm talking about. All right, but I'm gonna uh, use the last few minutes of my consciousness in the stream to show you what I was working on. So, all right, need to restart the server. All right. Okay, so basically, I implemented these security logs so that when there are suspicious logins, people get made aware, and also whenever you log in from a new device or a new location, you have to re-verify something if you enable two-factor authentication, or you get a notification via email, right? And yeah, also consider like there's no multi-factor auth yet, but it's gonna come. It's just it's not difficult to do. It's very easy to do. It's no multi-factor auth yet, but it's gonna come. And even now, it's like a very comprehensive API that is super simple. You know, at the same time. So it's like also like, for example, this feedback user channel thing, right? You could use this as a wait list. You could just do it like users when on your website they create like type praise or type feature, right? And then like you just get a wait list basically, right? Done. This is the simplest wait list you could implement. And this whole thing only is less than 6 kilobytes, and you get analytics out of the box, you get API key management out of the box, you get auth and user management out of the box, you get security event logging out of the box, in general activity data, right? You get feature flags out of the box, You can even like precisely implement, or not precisely, but you can implement how many people should see these features, you know? So you can implement a feature and then you can say, okay, 50% of people should see this feature. Bomb, right? So then like you can test features and just like roll them out gradually. Pretty cool. And obviously, if you create an organization, you can have a multi-tenant authentication, which basically means you can have multiple websites that all use the same accounts, which is also fucking awesome, right? It's really awesome because then users don't have to create 10 different accounts for your apps, and your apps have a lot better conversion because users, when they uh, visit the app, they can just log in without creating a new account, and it's all very smooth and fast. And again, the only thing you need to do to get all these features is implement this tiny script into your site, which is only 6 kilobytes in size. Comparable services may only provide authentication, they may only provide API key management, they may only provide analytics, right? And some of these services are hundreds of kilobytes, tens of kilobytes, and our service does all of this within 6 kilobytes, which is fucking great. So cheers to that. Cheers, suckers. I'm just kidding. I'm so happy, guys. Honestly, I'm so happy. So happy I got all of you with me on this journey and that I can share my ideas, freely develop my ideas, and hopefully make a positive impact on software engineering. Like, I thank you guys for all the support, for everything, really. And look at me. I may not have, like the best hairstyle, but I'm one of the people in Solana that still have hair, compared to fucking Mert and Toli. Shout out to Mert and Toli. Fucking balding eagles. Nah, shout out. I'm not even trying to be hostile or nothing. I just think it's funny that they are bald. All balding. All right. I think I'm gonna call it quits soon. Just because like I'm pretty tired still. I still got jet lag and shit. And guys, so if you don't know, if you didn't know yet, so network school is basically only consists of three parts, right? Um, I already forgot the three parts. Let me look it up. Let me look it up. So basically, it's like is earn, right? So making money, preferably with crypto or stuff like that. Um, earn, right? That's number one. And the second one, I'm just gonna say learn. So learn from each other, learn anything, right? Gain knowledge, very simple. And then the third thing is burn, right? And burn is basically like be active, like um, do sports, do movements, and burn calories, right? So earn, learn, and burn. I don't even know if learn is one of the things, but maybe it isn't. But yeah, so I went to the freaking burn, right? I went to the freaking workout, and now I'm like basically disabled. Like the workout is with this guy. He's like a super good coach. He's like a super good trainer, right? And he's gonna make you fit, like for sure. The workout here is like insane, right? So this guy is like a super crazy trainer. Um, but I went to his workout and now I'm basically disabled. Like I can't walk anymore. I can barely sit on the toilet. Can barely get out of bed. Like this guy is just like, I don't know, like debilitating people as his job, for his bread and butter. His bread and butter is debilitating people. Yeah, like, but I feel good. I feel like I'm getting stronger. And I've only been to 3 workouts so far. But it's definitely fatal. Fatal. It's fatal. You might not be able to walk afterwards if you go there. It's really fucked up shit. Mm. Yeah, this wine is really fucking bad, but don't really care. Just want to get drunk right now, like a fucking addict. Been grinding so long, so hard every day. No, even if I don't stream, like usually when I don't stream, guys, it's because I'm working too hard and I'm too tired at the end of the day. That's usually when I don't stream. When I stream, then it means I had some time in my day where like I could relax, and then like I have some time left in the evening maybe. That's when I stream. But when I don't stream, it usually means I'm working like 24/7, getting too exhausted, burning out like a little bit. All right. I'm gonna go offline soon. Just finishing this cup, talking to myself on stream. Hope somebody's watching and getting entertained. Right. Yeah, okay. So network school's motto is like learn, burn, earn. So I wasn't so wrong. Nice. Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope nobody is having big problems or something with money. I don't know much about trading, but I just know, guys, you should probably stay away from leverage. You know, don't gamble with money you don't have, pretty much. But I don't give financial advice, and honestly, I don't really like to talk too much about prices and everything because honestly, I don't fucking know nothing. I just know I want to go to millions and make all of you rich. That's what I know. I know I can, so I'm positive, optimistic, but don't really care about details or specific things. Just don't do stupid shit. Simple. Simple and plain. All right. I'll probably end the stream now. Love you guys and see you soon. All right. Pure hearts will win. That's facts. See you soon. Hate a little less and love a little more.